Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. I'm not fixing anything today. It's a day off, it's Sunday. It's my daughter Gracie.
Hi.
And we are at the beach and everything is pretty much empty because of this whole coronavirus scare. So we're here by ourselves, we're not close to anybody. It's nice. And just hanging out. Oh, I see a big sea cucumber.
Where?
Or as we like to call them, sea weenies. Oh, here's another one. Here's one sea wiener right here. Big one.
Wait, where is it?
It's under that rock right there.
Oh.
You see it?
Oh, yeah.
There's another one.
Nice.
What? Oh, it's stuck. Let go.
Can I try?
Hold on, I'm gonna take it off.
I don't touch it. Pull it.
Here, you touch it.
Ew, she's gross.
It's like a big slug. Big sea weenie.
Have a good life.
This one's pretty big.
Fine.
Put him back. Bye, sea weenie.
Oh.
Oh, he's flipping around.
He's like
Okay. Well, you feel good on there, Willie.